Hey, if you don't know who I am already, man, listen. I'm gonna show you how I turned $47, and I'm gonna be disclosing right now. My name is Mark Madon. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel because I do the hottest content in this game. I'm not even joking. Hands down, you're gonna watch this video how one of our models turned $47 into $5,000+ a month on OnlyFans. Let me explain something to you. She's a trooper. She doesn't even use social media either, so let me explain that. If you think you need social media following, if you think you need a huge something, it's all a lie. It's a hoax. I'm about to give you the truth. My content is the firest content out there. I had to redo my whole course, okay, recently because it was a little too gimmicky, okay? And I was like, all that gimmicks, let me give them the juice. So let me explain, why don't you need social media? How come you don't need all these things people are saying that you really just need to know the steps between phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Let me explain what they are. If you don't have a pen and paper, gosh. I'm going to explain this is the hottest new content I got out. Don't play me, okay? The first thing you do if you don't have a social media is you need to get into a networking where you can actually share fans and get customers on your page to have a chance to sell them. Let me explain. I'm just going to show you. Bam. Okay, this is what they call Telegram. Telegram, I run hundreds of networks in here. Thousands and thousands. I'm talking about thousands and hundreds of thousands of dollars are made in between these networks. These are where people are buying platforms, shout out for shout outs on other platforms so they can make their money. I can't show too much. Why? Because I don't want OnlyFans to ban your boy. I don't want YouTube to ban me. Sometimes things pop up on there, then they give me all this, I don't know what to say. They literally just skirt. They literally shut you down. Okay, so I can't show too much of that anymore. I even had to knock down videos that I had in the past because of the fact that I was going too heavily. So let me explain. The very first thing you do not need a huge social media following. You do not need to know exactly what you're selling yet. But you need to know it's very, very important. You don't even need to have a bunch of content already made on your platform. You don't. To get started, to make the guap, to make the gula, okay? Just kidding. Just like messing around with you guys. You guys know I like to joke. So basically, the first thing you want to do is drops. I teach you in my course how to do drops. So I'm going to explain it to you here. And if you don't know, if you can find Telegram groups, get into a Telegram group. This is how you get into Telegram groups without my course. I'm going to give you the answer. Ask people until someone gives you one. And then get in and then try to spread your wings. So basically, the reason why I teach in my course is how to use these Telegram groups and why it matters. Drops are the most freest way you can do it. If you have no money, if you spend the last penny on my course, but you're like, I'm gonna learn drops. We take people in a month from 0 fans to 20 to like, what is our highest? Like 2,200 fans. Lowest around 1,000 fans in a single month. So if you have time all month, do drops. What are drops? Is when models put in a link of multiple models in a row and they all post, all 6 of them. So all 6 of them post on each other's platform, and therefore everybody gets a chance to be on each other's platform. It allows people to drive from platform to platform. Okay. The thing that I teach about that, if you do drops now, you're like, I already do drops, it's not working. Your name matters, okay? That means whatever you use is your name. So if you're just using your regular name and it means nothing to anybody, when they see around 6 different people and there's nothing special, why would they click on it? Your things need to say like, I'm your best friend. I'm not even joking though. The one that always talks to everyone at Vanessa.com. I'm the one that does the dirtiest things, whatever it is. Whatever, I don't know if it's whether it's I'm the one who teaches the best sex education. I don't care what it is, but a reason why someone would click on it and go to it and learn your content. Be unique, my friend. Be unique. That's the truth. So that's step 1. You do drop after drop after drop after drop after drop. And what happens is you start growing fans. It's simple as that. They have thousands of fans. You have that drop. You start getting the fans, and then you know what you do to these fans? You talk to them. Oh no, you may have to talk to them. Oh no. But imagine if it was on Instagram DMing a guy and he already has his credit card in their company. Think about that. No questions asked. That's the difference. Think about a girl you're talking to. Think about a couple you're talking to. Think about a fan who wants to see you. Think about somebody who's a fan who wants to see you do something and their credit card's already, all they gotta do is drop it on the bank. Your opportunity to sell. That's your opportunity. Okay. I'm going to try to behave myself today because I've been acting up and I've been having a good time. I came back from Miami. Miami was lit. Just signed a big model. It was $1 million deal. We don't care because we're going to get there. Trying to get $1 million apartment. Why? No, we're not. Trying to make $1 billion. Yes, I am. So you know what I'm doing? Invested in the next shit. So that's what back to my realities. If you know, live bummy, make money. That's your life. That should be your lifestyle. We're on the internet now. Get it while it's hot. So what you're going to do after these drops is you're going to start talking to people, communicating, creating customers, creating relationships. Why? Because people spend more money in relationships than they do on non-relationships. Think about people you don't really have a relationship with. They ask you for $100 for a phone bill. Who are you? Why? No, get the fuck away from me. Get away from me. Don't, who are you? Don't ask me for money. And my girl's like, yeah. I'm like, here you go. My sister's like, I'm like, yeah, here you go. My mom like, I'm like, here you go. Relationships matter. Okay, so you're going to be able to do drops and get to relationships. She grew from that point in time to getting, think about this. This is the analogy that I teach. 100 people, $100 is $10,000 a month. Technically 8 after 20%. 100 people spending $100, that's $8,000 a month. People get paid usually 4 times or 2 times a month. Pay attention. Pay attention, my friend. So basically, that's what I'm saying. So to grow without social media from $47 to $5,000, she went in there, got into the drops, started dropping, and then she used this simple analogy of $100 from 100 people. That took her to her first $5,000+ a month, which means she only needed $50 from 100 people. Let's go. How many times did people pay the phone bill? I don't know. I'm telling you, get out there, finesse. It's an industry. It's around. People love enjoy it. People like helping. People like doing it. You know, make it work for you. Make the industry work. That's what people do. That's what TV show people are doing. The worst TV show people on the news all the time, paid to just talk about nonsense. And we pay these motherfuckers to be on TV and tell us nonsense. So why not people pay you every single month to say some nonsense and they enjoy it and be a part of the crap? All right, it's your boy DB live in the building. Make sure you subscribe down below and I'll catch you on the other side. Please comment down below, I'm the shit, to yourself because you need to go get it. Lego.